kids! Today we are going to learn how to make paper gliders. The most thing that I like about paper gliders is that when you throw it, it just flies out of your hand. It's showtime. The stuff you need to make a paper glider is a ruler, a pen, your hands, and tape. Before we begin, you should draw a line top to down in the center. Hold the top two corners and fold them to the line you made. Fold the paper from top down. Make sure the tip of the paper touches the line. Draw a line in the middle of the folded paper. Mark a dot at the bottom of the line. Hold the top two corners of the paper and fold them to the dot. Fold the baby triangle up. Take a Scotch tape and put it on the baby triangle so it can hold. Flip the paper and keep the nose onto the left. Draw a line at the middle of the paper. Fold the paper in half. Firmly crease the paper on all sides. Make sure the papers are the same height. Draw a line to make the next fold easy. Are you guys ready for the final two folds? Flip the paper. Draw a line to make the last fold easier. The final fold. Are you ready to see the glider? Here it is.